Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Mercari how to get paid. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and the steps as well. In order to get paid on Mercari, first what you need to do is list an item. To do it, simply head over and open up your Mercari app and then be sure to be logged to your account. Then once inside the home screen, simply tap on the sale icon on the bottom of your screen and then tap on the list an item. Then once you're inside there, fill out everything or every details of the item as well, and then once done, simply tap on this on the top right corner of your screen. Then after that, what you need to do is, in order to get paid, is complete the sale. After you receive the item and it's delivered, the buyer has 3 days to rate you. Once the buyer rates you, rate them back, then your earnings are released. If the buyer doesn't rate within 3 days, Mercari will auto complete the sale and release your funds. So next is earnings. Go to your Mercari balance. You'll see your money under my page by simply selecting your balance. From here you can either spend it in app, swap, or transfer it into your bank. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.